Enhancing education assessment with AI algorithms. Enhancing education assessment with AI algorithms. Education is a cornerstone of societal progress, shaping the minds of future generations and providing individuals with the knowledge and skills they need to succeed. As the world continues to evolve, so too must our approaches to education. One area that holds immense potential for improvement is assessment, the process through which we gauge a student's understanding and proficiency. With the advent of artificial intelligence, AI algorithms, education assessment is undergoing a transformative shift that promises to make evaluations more accurate, personalized, and efficient. Traditional methods versus AI-enhanced assessment. For decades, education assessment has largely relied on traditional methods such as standardized tests, written exams, and assignments. While these approaches have been effective to a certain extent, they often fall short in addressing the diverse learning styles and capabilities of individual students. AI algorithms offer a dynamic alternative by harnessing the power of data analysis, machine learning, and natural language processing to create more comprehensive and adaptive assessment strategies. One of the significant advantages of AI-enhanced assessment lies in its ability to provide personalized learning experiences. Traditional assessments often treat all students the same, ignoring the fact that each student learns at their own pace and has unique strengths and weaknesses. AI algorithms can analyze each student's performance over time, identifying patterns and tailoring assessments to their specific needs. This not only enables struggling students to receive targeted support but also challenges high-performing students with more advanced questions, keeping them engaged and motivated. Adaptive learning and immediate feedback. One of the most exciting prospects of integrating AI algorithms into education assessment is the concept of adaptive learning. Adaptive learning platforms use AI to continuously monitor and analyze a student's progress, adjusting the difficulty and content of assessments in real time. As a student answers questions, the AI algorithm assesses their responses and adapts subsequent questions based on their performance. This individualized approach ensures that students are neither overwhelmed by material beyond their comprehension nor held back by content they have already mastered. Additionally, AI-enhanced assessment provides immediate feedback, a crucial factor in effective learning. Traditionally, students would submit assignments or exams and wait for teachers to grade them, often leading to delays in identifying and addressing misconceptions. With AI algorithms, feedback can be provided instantly. This timely feedback helps students understand their mistakes and misconceptions, allowing them to make corrections and solidify their understanding before moving on to the next topic. Furthermore, educators can use this data to gain insights into the class's overall performance and make informed instructional decisions. Reducing bias and ensuring fairness. Bias in education assessment has long been a concern. Traditional assessments can be influenced by factors such as cultural background, socioeconomic status, and even the handwriting of students. AI algorithms have the potential to significantly reduce bias by relying on data-driven analysis rather than subjective evaluations. When AI evaluates responses, it does so without any preconceived notions, ensuring that each student is assessed fairly based on their knowledge and understanding. However, it's essential to note that AI algorithms themselves can inadvertently introduce bias if not developed and implemented carefully. Biased training data or flawed algorithms can perpetuate existing inequalities. To mitigate this risk, developers must ensure that AI models are trained on diverse and representative datasets and subject to rigorous testing for bias and fairness. One of the concerns revolves around the potential dehumanization of education. Critics argue that an over-reliance on AI assessments might undermine the importance of human educators and the holistic aspects of education that go beyond test scores. Striking the right balance between AI-enhanced assessment and the role of human teachers is crucial to ensure a well-rounded education experience. Privacy is another critical consideration. AI algorithms gather vast amounts of student data to analyze and personalize assessments. This data could include sensitive information that must be protected to maintain student privacy. Clear guidelines and strict data protection measures need to be in place to safeguard student information and prevent any misuse. Additionally, transparency in AI algorithms is vital. Students, educators, and parents should understand how assessments are generated and the criteria used by AI to evaluate performance. Transparent algorithms foster trust and enable all stakeholders to have confidence in the assessment process. Preparing educators for AI integration. The successful integration of AI-enhanced assessment requires educators to develop new skills and adapt their teaching methods. Educators should be equipped with the knowledge to interpret AI-generated data and insights, using them to tailor their instruction effectively. Professional development programs that provide training in AI technology and its application in education are essential to ensure that educators are well prepared for this technological shift. Furthermore, educators play a pivotal role in supporting students' emotional well-being as they navigate AI-enhanced assessments. Addressing any anxiety or concerns that students might have about automated assessments can foster a positive attitude towards technology and its role in their learning journey. The future landscape of education assessment. As AI algorithms continue to advance, the landscape of education assessment is poised to undergo significant changes. The shift towards more personalized, adaptive, and efficient assessments will likely result in more engaged students and improved learning outcomes. In the future, AI-enhanced assessment could evolve to incorporate a broader range of skills and competencies beyond traditional subjects. Soft skills such as critical thinking, creativity, and collaboration are increasingly recognized as essential for success in the modern world. AI algorithms could be designed to assess these skills, providing a more holistic view of a student's capabilities. Safeguarding ethical considerations for AI-enhanced education assessment. Ethics are at the forefront of any technological advancement, and the integration of AI algorithms into education assessment is no exception. Several key ethical considerations must be addressed to ensure that AI-enhanced assessment remains fair, transparent, and equitable. Transparency and explainability. AI algorithms can be complex, making it challenging for educators, students, and parents to understand how assessments are generated. It's crucial to prioritize transparency and explainability. Developers should design AI systems that can provide insights into how assessments are made, what criteria are used, and how decisions are reached. This transparency not only builds trust but also empowers stakeholders to comprehend and engage with the assessment process. Bias and fairness. As mentioned earlier, AI algorithms can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in training data. Developers must actively work to eliminate bias from algorithms to ensure fair assessments for all students, regardless of their background. Regular auditing and testing of AI models for bias should be standard practice, along with ongoing refinement to reduce any disparities that may arise.